next one आपका, which is unit number 25. I guess this is the last unit from your module C itself, ठीक है, which is treasury and asset liability management. So basically the ALM आपका, this is the previous one was something around the risk management and all, ठीक है. So this is आपका treasury and ALM, asset liability management. We do have this gap between asset and liabilities, and that gap is generally fulfilled by the treasury department. Sometimes this gap shows some sort of surplus, sometimes there is some sort of deficit. If we have surplus, so treasury will use that money, invest in some other market or some markets from where we can generate some sort of profit for the bank. And if there is a deficit, so they'll arrange that money and they'll fill that particular deficit itself. So that generally comes under this one. Okay, so you can see managing ALM, liquidity risk and interest rate risk, role of treasury in this, uses of derivative again here, credit risk and derivatives, transfer pricing and this policy environment now, this is very important one, policy environment wala part, this get asked so many times. So the risk arise out of mismatch of asset and liabilities of bank, and asset liability management is managing such as balance sheet risk and all. The risk is not controlled, may result in negative spread or erosion of net worth. ALM therefore defined as protection of net worth for the bank. Asset liability, the basic one. Liquidity risk आपका, what is liquidity risk? We have discussed one entire unit around this particular one, right? I hope you guys remember module B, your liquidity risk and Basel norms. Okay, so what is liquidity risk? We all know. So let's just have a reading around this particular one here. Another one, guys. So here it is given also, ALM and uses. Nothing new. Interest rate risk also, we have discussed one. NII, like inflow minus outflow, NII. NIM is your aapka NII divided by average asset. Okay? So that is defined here. So the gap is like, let's say your payables, receivables, and if there is any gap, so that gap generally get managed by your treasury management. Next one आपका experiences of ALM in Indian scenario, similar one. Indian scenario, you can just read out this one, guys. इसमें ज़्यादा tension नहीं आएगा. Treasury and ALM, uses of derivatives, entire unit. If you'll go through that topic na, unit 24, आपका restart series, you won't face any issue around credit derivatives or the other form आपका swap and all. ठीक है. The eligible entities in market makers and user category are under credit derivatives. This is for the credit derivative, market makers and users. This we have discussed somewhere else also. I hope you remember. Credit derivatives, transfer pricing, policy environment. Please do remember, do go through this. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कुछ है नहीं. ठीक है, this is very basic one. ठीक है, but this part is ना that get tested so many times. ठीक है, तो please उसको ध्यान रखिएगा. ठीक है. So policy environment is something while we are framing any policy around the ALM things. So we are using different products and all. So managing those particular product guidelines toward those particular products and all, that is very important. ALM will be affected only if there is a strong policy foundation. Though in general we describe the ALM policy this. So what an integrated risk management policy bearing upon the market risk of the bank should ideally have the following areas. One is ALM policy, which prescribe the composition of asset liability management committee, ALCO. Liquidity policy prescribe the minimum liquidity to be maintained, funding of reserve asset, limited on limit on exposure to money market, contingent fundings and all. Then we have derivative policies and others. Derivative policy C. So derivative policy which prescribe for the uses of derivative, capital allocation, restrictions on derivative tradings, valuation norm. Investment policy prescribe the permissible investment norms while you protecting your ALM. Composite risk policy for foreign exchange and treasury. We have transfer pricing policy, prescribe the methodology spread to be retained by the this. Very easy one. Bank discourage long-term deposit beyond 5 years primarily to avoid exposure to credit risk. बताओ पहला स्टेटमेंट क्या कहते हो आप लोग? ठीक है, क्या होना चाहिए आपका? बैंक डिस्करेज लॉन्ग टर्म डिपॉजिट बियॉन्ड 5 years प्राइमरीली टू अवॉइड एक्सपोजर टू आपका नॉट क्रेडिट रिस्क. इट शुड बी आपका इंटरेस्ट रेट रिस्क. ठीक है, इंटरेस्ट रेट रिस्क, क्योंकि हमें हो सकता है 5 साल बाद कुछ भी अदर सिनेरियो हो. ठीक है, दैट इज द वन. ALM aim to manage balance sheet risk arising due to mismatch in maturities and interest rate between asset liability. True. A bank offering fixed rate mortgage loan funded by a short term deposit is exposed to both liquidity risk and interest rate risk. आपका 100% true. ठीक है. Negative spread may arise when deposit interest rate are fixed but lending rate on आपका floating and decline over time. True आपका. ठीक है, समझ में आने स्टेटमेंट आपका. Let's say we have taken a deposit at the rate of 7%, 1 crore rupees. With that same deposit we created an asset आपका let's say 1 crore rupees at 10%. That is a floating rate. ठीक है, and if rate interest came down, ठीक है, let's say after 1 years that loan or that asset we created for 10 years, what happened after 1 years? The interest initially our margin was 3%, ठीक है, NII was 3%. Later on what happened after 1 years? It came to 8%. तो अब your NII will become only how much? आपका 2%. ठीक है, 1% आपका 7 to 8 आपका. ठीक है, तो that is the situation. ALM focus only on managing liquidity risk, does not does not deal with the, no, it is not that one. We have different functionalities of this one, including the other one also. Okay, mismatch and all. So 234 means option A should be right answer for this one. ALM cover both liquidity as well as interest rate risk, making it broader than just liquidity management आपका. ठीक है, तो A will be right answer. Very good. Next one. Which of the following statement are correct related to interest rate risk and ALM are correct? ठीक है, बताओ क्या होगा आंसर. If you guys having any queries, please do let me know in the comment section also. I can see your comments, but I guess they are bit late ना. थोड़ा सा late आ रहे हैं क्या आप लोगों के comments? I'm keep refreshing this particular one. I don't know what is going on. चलो बताओ दोस्तों क्या होगा correct answer आपका. So repricing risk arises when the timing of interest rate change differs for assets and liabilities such that one fixed and another floating within the same time bucket. Yeah, this is true. A bond maturing after 7 years with a fixed rate of interest is considered rate sensitive within the 6 month to 1 year time bucket. It should be आपका 1 to 7 years आपका. It will come under the 1 to 7 year bucket. Interest rate risk affect net interest income. बिल्कुल. When liabilities are rolled out over a changing market rate while the return from the asset remain fixed आपका. बिल्कुल सही. ठीक है. In India, floating rate deposit scheme introduced by banks like SBI failed due to depositor preference for the fixed one. ठीक है, true आपका. ठीक है. Under the MCLR based lending in a falling interest rate scenario, bank face margin compression due to fixed rate liabilities and floating rate assets. This is also correct. 1345. 1345. We do not have 13. है. D आपका. D should be right answer. So a 7 year fixed rate bonds not rate sensitive if in the 6 to 1 months. It will come under the 5 to 7 years आपका. Sorry, it is आपका 5 to 7 years. The bucket for that particular one is 5 to 7 years. Next one. Which of the following statement about the role of treasury in ALM? So role of treasury in ALM are correct. Again, so role of treasury in ALM are correct. So what will be your correct answer, guys? ALM, treasury, this we have discussed so many times. तो अब बताओ क्या होगा correct answer? So treasury play a key role in bridging liquidity and interest rate mismatch through the derivative and structured project. Treasury completely eliminate a mismatch from the balance sheet to ensure zero. No, we do not we generally take the arbitrage opportunities. Let's say our receivables plan on first and payables on 14 or 15. So we will lend that money for 14, 15 days and all. Okay. We never go for this one आपका equals position. Treasury operation are essential in identifying and monitoring market risk, which core banking functions are not equipped to handle directly. Treasury involvement in market tradings can sometimes result in compensatory risk that align with the bank asset liability gap also. Again, the financial market evolve. Treasury product have started replacing traditional credit offerings due to their marketability and liquidity advantages also. ठीक है. So 1, 3, 4, 5 again. ठीक है. D आपका again will be right answer for this one. Correct है. Next one. Okay. So big case आपका. I hope this is visible to all of you. दिख रहा है ना सबको ये case आपका. ठीक है. तो एक बार आराम से आपका. ठीक है. प्यार से एक बार केस को पढ़ लें. So Bank G has recently sanctioned a 3-year fixed rate term loan of 100 crore rupees to a mid-sized infrastructure company. In order to boost its interest margin, the bank decided to fund this loan through short-term deposit of 3 months maturity. Okay, so 3 years, 3 months. Huge gap आपका. ठीक है. To manage the resulting ALM risk, Treasury Department of Bank G, consider various derivative instruments. During the life of the loan, the following derivative strategies and treasury actions are taken into the consideration or in use. Okay? So basically, they raise a deposit of 3 months, okay? 100 crore rupees, and they finance that particular one. They have created an asset for 3 years, 100 crore rupees. Okay? Obviously, they have a huge gap. आपका ALM asset liability mismatch. To manage this particular one, they have taken these many measures आपका during the period of 3 years, because they have to keep repaying things after 3 months. So now, based on this, पहले ये पढ़ लेते हैं. An interest rate swap is executed to convert the floating 3 months treasury bill linked deposit cost into a fixed rate for 3 years duration, matching the loan tenures. Okay. Simultaneously, Bank Z engage in foreign currency arbitrage, offering in USD at 3% of USD at 3% for 6 months and landing equivalents INR in the domestic market at 6.5. Forward cover premium to has the forex risk at 1.5%. ठीक है. यहाँ पे relevancy आपका है कुछ, मतलब they can have this position, but that is I guess not directly related with this case. Okay, पढ़ लेते हैं एक बार. Bank Z Treasury also hold call option on foreign currency to manage repayment risk of foreign currency loan and put option to hedge this foreign currency receivables. If the loan is given, is there any mid-sized infrastructure company who boosts the interest margin fund through the short-term note? The bank offer floating rate deposit and loans linked to benchmark indices to reduce ALM mismatch. Some liabilities include embedded option, term deposit with prepayments right, which are not factored accurately into the ALM model. Which of the following statement are correct in the context of Bank Z use of derivative and treasury strategies फॉर द ALM एंड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट. ठीक है. तो ये केस और इसका ज्यादा कोई डायरेक्ट रिलेशन आपका वैसे है नहीं. ठीक है. द इंटरेस्ट रेट रिस्क, द इंटरेस्ट रेट स्वैप इन 0.1. ओके, इंटरेस्ट रेट स्वैप इन 0.1 फ्लोटिंग टी बिल्स आपका एंड फिक्स फॉर 3 years ड्यूरेशन मैचिंग द लोन tenures. One, eliminate both interest rate and liquidity risk fully. No, how it will in interest rate swap executive to convert the floating 3 months treasury bill linked deposit cost into a fixed rate 3 years. No, it is, if you are entering the fixed rate and all na, so that is also not going to help in this case. Okay, this is not help. The 2% spread, what you say about the first statement, guys? I don't think this statement one is going to help. 2% spread from foreign currency arbitrage is protected after accounting for forward cover. Bank Z foreign currency arbitrage borrowing 3% 6 months and landing equivalents INR in domestic market 6.5, ठीक है. So and the forward premium is 1.5. So 1.5 plus this 4.5, आपका 4.5. हाँ, this is true आपका, ठीक है. Statement 2 is true आपका, ठीक है. Statement 2 is true. There is no issue with statement true. Second is correctly mentioned here, ठीक है. Statement second का कोई problem नहीं. Embedded option in deposit and loan introduce basis risk, which is fully mitigated using interest rate derivative, ठीक है. Embedded options is आपका basically it will link with the आपका not basis and all, ठीक है. And basically what we can, and these kind of things आपका ना ये जो forward covers mitigate using interest rate, that is not going in. Embedded option is something that you have given right to the depositors or to the asset आपका borrowers कि you can prepay or you can pre-mature that particular one. So ये दैट इज द चॉइस ऑफ द बोरोवर्स और द लेंडर्स, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट रेट डेरिवेटिव्स इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प. यूज ऑफ फ्लोटिंग रेट प्रोडक्ट लिंक टू बेंचमार्क कैन हेल्प रिड्यूस मिसमैच इन ALM आपका, ठीक है. यूज ऑफ फ्लोटिंग रेट प्रोडक्ट लिंक टू बेंचमार्क कैन, हाँ ये कर सकता है बिल्कुल, ठीक है. सो ट्रेजरी यूज ऑफ ऑप्शंस, Treasury's use of options on foreign currency exposure help manage exchange rate risk in foreign currency option. They cover this particular one. They have entered the forward premium in this. Treasury also hold call options of foreign currency to manage the repayments risk of the foreign currency loans and put options to hedge the foreign currency receivables. ठीक है, this is also correct. ठीक है, ये statement सही है आपका, ठीक है. तो 1 2 4 5 नो, कहीं पे गड़बड़ किया क्या हमने? डू वी हैव एनी ऑप्शन लाइक 1 2 4 5? नो. एनीवन गाइस जो आपका इस क्वेश्चन को करेक्ट करना चाहेगा, ठीक है. एनीवेयर वी आर डूइंग सम मिस्टेक हियर. डी, ओके, पीपल आर सेइंग 2 4 5. अच्छा हाँ, सॉरी 2 4 5, दिस इज रॉन्ग ना, इट इज 2 4 5, सॉरी. हाँ 2 4 5 आपका डी विल बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस, ठीक है. द यस, ठीक है. सो फॉरेक्स रेट से रिलेटेड आपका वन केस स्टडी विच यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट, और द पोजीशन ट्रेजरी हाउ दे जनरली इन रियल लाइफ हाउ दे जनरली मेक द पोजीशंस एंड ऑल. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन गाइस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So RBI stance and regulatory approach toward the credit derivatives in India. Credit derivatives in India have been widely adopted with no regulatory restrictions due to their proven ability to transfer credit risk. No, it is regulated by RBI, and RBI provide cautions while issuing these kind of instruments and all. Okay, so statement 1 is wrong. RBI permits single name CDS transaction on corporate bonds under the defined eligibility and capital norms आपका, ठीक है. Statement 2 is 100% right, ठीक है. Market makers for credit derivatives include only commercial bank. FIIs are not part of this particular one. Okay, this is also wrong. Only commercial bank. Credit derivatives such as credit default swap may transfer credit risk but introduce counterparty risk and require credit enhancements. आपका true. 2008 financial crisis revealed excessive leverage and synthetic asset exposures in global credit derivatives and all. This is also correct. Okay? So 245 means option B should be right answer for this particular one. Correct है? Yes. हाँ, Ahilya ma'am, very good. चलो तो correct है ना? Yes. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. So this is all about your module C.